Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be making a Christmas wreath for the first time. I've never made one, I've never bought one, I've always wanted one, and I just think it looks so pretty up on the door. So I thought it would be a fun thing to do today, is just to create my own one, and hopefully it turns out as pretty as the ones I've seen online. So the items I have to create my wreath is a wooden wren. This is going to be the main structure for it. Then I have red baubles. I really wanted to have red berries with like a snow appearance, look like frosted berries, but they had last year, they out of stock this year, so I decided to opt for the red baubles. I just really wanted red in it, and I think it'll still look cute. Then I've got some dried up oranges. I will leave a link in the description box to show you where I bought all of these things and how I made the dried oranges. Got some acorns, cute little one. And then I've got some natural tinsel. That's like a plain dark green one. And then I've got this lighter green one with like holly leaves on. And then my glue gun. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is add my plain tinsel onto the wreath. So with my glue gun, I'm just going to put a little dot. I definitely should have spread this out a lot more because I got a missing patch here, but it's fine because I really just wanted this as, an accent to just, have two different shades of green, so it's not just one color. And I got so much of this, it's gonna cover this empty spot completely. So let's get started on that. I really have a lot. A good idea to wrap this around like a block of wood or something so you can just pass it through. I'm going to try to do that quickly because this is going to take me forever. Sticks keep dropping. It should work. So much better. Oh my gosh, definitely do that. I'm so glad I decided to make this instead of buy it. Like, this is so much fun. It's coming together so nicely, so I'm so happy about it. And I'm actually enjoying it a whole lot more now that I've created this ball to pass through. That was insane. It's taking forever. Oh my gosh, I love the way that this has turned out already. It looks so pretty. I have to add some color. The acorns seem to be holding up quite nicely. I think they look cute in there. Next, the orange pieces. I feel like they look really big. Like, I'll show you. Like that. I feel like it looks really big, but I don't know if I should cut it in half because isn't it supposed to be a hole? I'm not sure, but I love the color it's adding. I think I'm going to do the baubles and then put the oranges in afterwards, but I might cut them in half. Lost 2. Oh, there's another orange slice. Oh. And another acorn. Oh my gosh. I would have been done filming this video and still finding stuff for the video. I wonder if I should put another acorn. Yeah, I think I should put another one on top. Oh my gosh, did you see that right now? I got such a fright. This thing just sparked. It was like right here next to my leg. Oh my gosh. It's still a little bit hot, so I'm going to see what I can get out of it. But if it sparks like that, then it's definitely shot. And I'm going to have to get a new one. And I'm going to have to figure out another plan for the rest of this video. But, yeah. Let me see what I can still get out of here. It's definitely looking really pretty. It's definitely cold now. I'm not going to get any more glue out of here. Oh well. I'm just going to have to move on and improvise because it's almost 6 o'clock. So like all the shops I could buy a glue gun at right now are already closed for the day. And I want to keep filming today. So I'm going to use wood glue and hope for the best. It should be okay. Wood glue was completely useless. It was just not sticking. I was holding it for so long. It was making a huge mess because it comes out so fast and it's really messy. So I went to go get this other glue that I have inside. Q-Bond. It's really strong. It works just as well as a hot glue gun. Who am I kidding? A hot glue gun is the best. But that ain't working. So this is the next one I'm going to use. It's getting there though. It's looking really cute. I've just added on a few more baubles, which seem to be holding now with the Q-Bond because I had no idea how these orange slices were going to hold up with wood glue. It was just not working. They're quite like heavy. But I do think I rather want to cut it in half because then I can have orange in more places. Because like this just looks really big, I think. Well, actually, now that I look at it again, I don't know. It's working! I did not think this was going to work at all. But then again, this glue is so strong. Got it on my top once and it burnt a hole right through my top. The way this turned out. I think it looks beautiful. It's bold. You know, I was going to take red frosted berries, but they didn't have stock, and I'm so glad that they didn't because I wouldn't have gone for the red baubles if it hadn't been for that. And I feel like the red baubles look better because they're so shiny, they're big, they're bold. The berries would have gotten so lost in the wreath, and I just think it looks so pretty. I love it. I really do. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, don't forget to give it a like down below. And I'll see you again soon with some more Christmas videos. Thanks. Bye.